Okay, Mike, here we go. We've done a bit of a baseline tune on this thing just so as we kind of know where we're going. Spent a couple of days burning it in as well just to make sure it was okay. Now, so what have we done so far? Let's see, there's something to point out here. Changed out the trimmer here for AM power. I put in a regular looking one. That was a strange sort of thing that was in there, and I didn't like the look of it. It's probably fine, but just didn't match in with everything else, so we changed it. Next job we're at here at the moment is we're going to change out this volume squelch pot. Was spinning around, and you can see it was got at before. It's all soldered back together, so I'm just going to change it out. Because I don't know, I've never seen one like that before now, but however, other than that, I still have nothing on lower sideband in transmit or receive, so I think I'm missing voltage to the mode switch there, so I'm going to have to dig through that and see what the story is. So that's where we are for now. We'll be back.
You already satisfied with the 16, so ain't satisfied with the 5, so this is coming next, so, you know. Alright, catch y'all later. Good day. Okay, y'all, I'm back.
Okay, I'm just getting to here and changing this volume squelch pot. Just watching my buddy Tech 9. He builds some nice amplifiers. And I find his videos very entertaining. He's back on YouTube now. He was missing for a while, but he's back now. Once we get this swapped over. It was in a bad way, the one that was in here. Then we'll have a look at seeing why we have nothing on lower sideband. I think it's because we've either... It looks like this radio had an EEPROM in it at some stage. Probably UK40 and super low and super high, and somebody put it back to stock. You know, whoever done the work, they knew what they were doing, but they weren't very neat. So I'd say that maybe the mode switch wasn't wired up right. Well, that's what I'm thinking anyway. So we'll know in a little while when we get that done. Let's see. And they were very heavy with the solder. Let's get this back in. My hands are a little bit sore. I've suffered all my life with eczema. It's always on my hands and it's always pretty bad, so sometimes it affects my dexterity, which is why sometimes I am missing off of here because it's too awkward for me to try and do anything. Like I have to use tweezers a lot because I can't grip things in between my fingers. But, you know, you get used to it. Well, see how we're getting on here. That's one way of doing it. I've never seen one done like that before. All soldered back together. I must have broke the tangs or something. So if I have this the right way, which I do. Let's see, is the volume and the squelch working now? Should be. No. Right. Okay, so there's the volume anyway. Squelch is working too. The noise blanker is wired up backwards too, so we'll have to fix that. So that's that. So I suppose the next part of the puzzle now is to see why we have nothing on lower sideband. So I'm going to turn off the camera while I figure that out. I don't normally put the camera on when I'm doing stuff, so I just said when I was doing that. So I said just while I was doing that, I'd leave the camera on for a change. So still on the e-cig, guys. 7 weeks today. Up with my own concoction of juice now. Getting a nice amount of vapour off it. I know exactly what's in it, so that's it for now. We'll be back. Okay, I've done a bit more digging here, Mike, but I have not got to the bottom of the problem yet with the lower sideband. There's still nothing there. I have voltage coming to, in and out of the mode switch, and have a look here. I should be seeing 8 volts there, and I'm not. But here on the other side of it, oh come on, it's on the wrong one. I should be seeing that there for lower sideband, and I'm not. This is where you'd hook up a counter if you were doing it. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing voltage here. But there's nothing here. There should be. If I go to lower. Seeing the voltage that side. I go to that side. There is nothing there. So a bit more digging is required, and I've not come across the likes of this before, but I'm pretty sure we'll get to the bottom of it. But we're out of time for today, so we'll have to have a bit of a think about what's going on. Oh, and have a look at it again next weekend. But other than that, it's working pretty good. All the other modes are fine, just lower sideband is missing, so there's not a lot happening here today on the radio. It's very quiet. So that's it for now. We'll be back soon.